Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Kamala's channel. Tonight we'll be making salmon. Yes, salmon. We'll be making salmon, so I'm drying it off. Then I'm going to be applying my season all over. The sauce that we're going to be making a butter sauce with lemon juice. Just gonna add a tip of salt and some season to it and some parsley. So let's get right into this. So first off, we're gonna start with our Cajun season. Let me get it off of this paper towel here. There we go, much better. And here is Aiden. All right, lemon pepper, paprika, uh, all right, and we have some OB. All right, guys. Then I'll be putting these on the grill and I'll be showing you everything as I go along. All right. Stay tuned for the lemon sauce, and I'll be using vinegar to be coating my red onions. And I have some carrots too as well and sweet pepper. Let's get right down in this. I'll be right back.